So if you need a backup device, or just a device that you need for basic tasks like messaging, media playback, light social media browsing, and voice calls, then Note 23 is perfect for you. The device is a very cheap smartphone just announced by Ulefone, and it's expected to cost about $80 to $100, so it's very affordable. And according to the details, the device will pack a 6.56-inch IPS LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate. It's going to be powered by the Unisoc T7100 chipset, which is also known as the T603. It's going to have 3GB of RAM and 32GB storage with micro SD card support of up to 2TB. It will ship with the Android 16 Go edition. Rear camera is 8MP, the main rear camera, while the front facing camera is 5MP. Packs a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10 watts charging. It features a side mounted fingerprint scanner, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. So as I said earlier, this is a very cheap device, nothing special about the device. It's just a device that's perfect for light tasks. Anyway, that's it for the video. Feel free to share your thoughts. I don't know when the device will be available, but it's most likely going to launch before the end of July or maybe in early August. But the device has just been announced. I don't know when it's going to go on sale. But yeah, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.